Today we are looking at the WOLFANG GA300 4K 60 frames per second action camera. Before we start, if you find the video helpful, leave a like, any questions ask me in the comment section down below, and subscribe for more reviews. So before we get into the box, let's take a look around. So here you have the camera. This is action camera there, GA300 WOLFANG. Here we just got some 4K 30 frames per second, waterproof, external microphone and Wi-Fi control. So now let's have a look inside the box. So this is everything that comes in the box. We have an instruction booklet which comes in many different languages. If I just show you, here's some specifications. As you can see, so it comes with an instruction booklet, a camera and accessories. So as you can see, it does come with a lot of accessories. I don't know what a lot of them are, but I can show you stuff I do know. This is the external microphone which comes with it. You have your two camera batteries here. This is your extra door for your waterproof case. The difference between the two is this doesn't record any audio. The door already comes with the camera. This does not record any audio, whereas this one does record audio as it has these two cutouts. This is your remote, which you can take a picture or record your video with. And this would be your bike mount or scooter mount to attach this to your handlebars so you can record some footage. So now let's have a look at the camera. Let's take it out of its waterproof case here. So as you can see, it has its name there, WOLFANG 4K. That's your power on off button. Here's your 170-degree field of view lens. Here you have your down button, up button, speaker, your battery door. So if you open this up, that's where you install your battery. Then you've got a mounting thread for a tripod. Then if you look inside here, you've got your HD out port, your micro USB port, and your micro SD card port. And here is your built-in microphone, those three dots up there. And we also do have a touch screen. So if you press this power button, you get a little chime. So it is currently recording video 4K 30 frames per second. To change this, you go into your settings, video resolution, and you can select a higher FPS. If you go down here, you have many other different options. I think that's it. We've got voice record, EV, EIS, which is electronic image stabilizer. We will test that out shortly. We've got loop record, just in case you want it as a dash cam, which I believe it gives 1 minute to 5 minutes. Yep, 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes. Then if we look, we've got fast motion, wind noise reduction, so if it's a windy day, you know, just put that on and it'll be fine. That's it for that. Let's go back into the settings. You've got sound, so right now when I booted it, it had a chime, and right now when I'm pressing it's beeping, so you've got that. Microphone, which has got a built-in microphone and external, so we're going to test them both out shortly as well. We've got white balance effect, these are just some video changes. Date and time, screensaver, auto power off if you're idle for a long time. Power on auto record, language, format card and system. This shows your microphone, that shows your battery capacity. Here, if you press this, that shows all your saved videos, for example. Then you've got your zoom in, zoom out, then it's showing you in video mode. If you want to change it to photo mode, you would swipe right. And as you can see, photo 20 megapixels, and that icon will tell you in photo, and plus you've got text there. I am now recording in 4K 60 frames per second using the built-in microphone, with EIS off. I'm going to walk a bit further ahead. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I am still recording in 4K 60 frames per second. However, I have connected the external microphone and enabled EIS. This will be good if you slow your footage down. Let me know in the comment section if the audio and video quality have improved. Now I'll walk a bit ahead and see what the EIS looks like. There you go, my friends. That was the Wolfang 4K action camera. Let me know what you think. In my opinion, it is a decent camera for the price. I hope this video was helpful to someone. If it was, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.